Take you live to Indore, where Lok Sabha Speaker Sumitra Mahajan is addressing the South Asian Speakers Summit.
The Sustainable Development Goals, or SDG as we call it, have set global priorities for progress of humanity. The SDGs emphasis on achieve a balance between three pillars: economic growth, social development, and environmental protection. I personally feel that this approach somehow was very much required in our contemporary growth and development strategy. This is a very close to the philosophy of life that our region always exposed for in last several centuries. In my view, immediate relevance of the goals to the local priorities at the national and subnational level actually holds the key. I strongly feel that development at the cost of our culture is not sustainable at all. Our past tells us how civilizational strengths may steer us through the contemporary challenges. I must also mention here that first and foremost is the citizen. No development is possible and sustainable unless it has a human face. As rightly said by our President Sabir ji, the last person in the queue, we have to look at him. At the same thing, as our Pandit Deen Dayal Upadhyay, India's leading political philosopher and mass leader, once he said, and I quote, "Integral humanism is the basis for development as it espouses indigenous economic model that puts the human being at the center stage." We have to work for this and like this also. Friends, before I proceed further, I would like to say a few words about the city, that is my city, Indore, the venue of the summit. It is the largest city and the commercial capital of the Indian state, that is Madhya Pradesh. We can call it Central Province of India. The city traces its roots to its 16th century, founding as a trading hub. It is also considered as an educational hub and the only city in India which houses the international famed Indian Institute of Technology and the Indian Institute of Management. The city has been selected as one of the first 20 cities to be developed as smart cities. I would like to recall the legacy of a great woman who belongs to this soil and whose contributions for women's upliftment was remarkable. She was Ahilyabai Holkar. A noble, saintly, and courageous woman, she had been a queen of Indore. Why I'm saying all these things? Actually, she was in 17th century, 16th, 17th century. She was a queen of Indore, but more importantly, becoming a queen, she was the queen of hearts of the people. And today you will...
So that was Lok Sabha Speaker Sumitra Mahajan addressing the South Asian Conference of the Speakers. Gender equality and climate change are the important topics which are to be taken up in the summit. That is the South Asian Speaker Summit. Lok Sabha Speaker Sumitra Mahajan was addressing the summit. Up next